Well, hello, my algebra students. I hope everything's going good. Notice no videos Wednesday and Thursday. That will be your time to do the projects, which is due Friday night at 8 o'clock. So 2 days to work on that. You might want to do it on your own. It should be less than 2 minutes of video. So altogether, 3 parts. It should be 6 minutes or less. I think 4 minutes is probably more like it. But here we go. I want to spend another day on x and y intercepts. So x-intercept, you put 0 in for y. So you'd have 4 equals 4x squared. Divide by 4, you got to get the square by itself. So it'd be 1 equals x squared. Take the square root of both sides. And whenever you have a variable squared equals a number, it's always plus or minus the square root. Then the y-intercept, you put 0 in for x, so it'd be y plus 4 equals 0 squared is 0 times 4 is 0. So the y-intercept is negative 4. So x-intercept, put 0 in for y, so you'd have negative 9 equals negative 9 x minus 3 squared. Get the square by itself, so you divide both sides by negative 9. Now, it's not always 1 on this side. It's just, that's the problems I set up today. So, square root would be plus or minus 1 equals x minus 3. So you add 3 to both sides. It's 3 plus or minus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. And the y-intercept, put 0 in for, should be an x, sorry. 0 minus 3 is negative 3, squared is 9, so this is negative 81. Holy cheese. 0 minus 3 is negative 3, squared is 9, negative 81. Add 9 to both sides, so the y-intercept is negative 72. Holy cheese. Now remember, you could have an x-intercept with no answers. We'll see that on Tuesday. And you could have a y-intercept. Well, actually, I'll show you that one in a minute since we got some extra time here. I didn't think we'd have this much time. X-intercept put there, so 16 equals 16x minus 2 squared. Square root both, divide both sides by 16 to get the square by itself. Then you square root both sides. And again, not always 1. We'll show you the other ones tomorrow on Tuesday. So square root plus or minus 1 equals x minus 2. Subtract 2, negative 2 plus or minus 1. So it'd be negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Then the y-intercept, put 0 in for x. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Squared is 4. 4 times 16 is 64. Holy cheese. Then you subtract 16. So y equals, let's see, 48. Now, notice if I have this, y minus 4 equals x minus 3 squared. And I said, what's the x-intercepts? Well, you put 0 into negative 4. And notice, I am messing up now. So I square root both sides. You can't take the square root of a negative. So no reals and no reals means there's no x-intercept. Still a y-intercept, though. 0 minus 3 is negative 3 squared is 9. So y minus 4 equals 9. Add 4. The y-intercept is 13. So I don't know why. I just thought we'd spend another day on this. So to find the x-intercept, you put 0 in for y and solve. To find the y-intercept, you put 0 in for x and solve. Now, 1 and 2, And problem 3, that's your homework. It's due Tuesday night at 8 o'clock. It's homework. So I'm not grading it. I'm just checking to see that you tried it. Now, if you just put down Bob likes Susie, well, that wouldn't be doing homework. Got to actually try it. But it will be in Schoology. Then the project to do is Friday night, Wednesday, and Thursday. You won't have a video, but you will tomorrow on Tuesday. So anyways, this is due tomorrow night. Those 3 problems shouldn't be that bad. I will see you.